finished look of this unit. I absolutely love this. So this is gonna go as a complete unit. Now, Wow African, they've been sending me these amazing wigs that come really complete. They come with the adjustable strap. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and just about all the units I've received from this company have been A1. And a lot of the times when I review this company, you guys have given me the best feedback from this company, from your experiences. I'm going to tell you guys all the textures that I received from them have been excellent. This one has definitely blown my mind. I absolutely love this unit. It's just up my alleyway, and you guys know I love a light yaki texture, or a yaki texture in general. Once I straightened this one, I knew it was going to be it for me. Even before straightening this unit, I was like, you know what, it's so nice, so realistic, so pretty. So it's definitely going to be one of my keepers. I'm going to keep this one, guys, so don't even ask me to sell this one because it's not happening. So this unit is pretty much your standard complete wig is what I would call it. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It did come with an adjustable strap that they put on themselves, which I would say to you guys is an excellent idea. That adjustable strap, when I tell you guys I did not have to adjust my own straps on this unit, I didn't have to do anything. That one strap, I only put it on the first part, and this unit is super glueless and it fits my head super tight and comfortable. Guys, I am telling you this, no one can snatch this wig off my head right now. I use no products to glue this down. I didn't do baby hair magic on this one. This is a no baby hair meltdown. Well, can't be a meltdown because I didn't use glue, but it's a completely glueless look, guys. For those out there that do not want to use got to be glue, don't want to use Ghost Bond, don't want to use any of those products to adhere your units down, if you're looking for something that you could put on in style and be done with it without adding all those products to the wig, guys, Wow African definitely has it for you. Their glueless units are glueless AF, guys. I'm telling you, the new construction that they're doing with this extra strap is definitely helping it become extremely glueless. I did not glue this down at all. Obviously, the ear tabs are going to give you like a slight lift. When I mean slight lift, it's nothing serious, people. It's like a little bit of a lift, but I did tweeze and kind of cover some areas down here, so therefore you ain't gonna see any type of mess. Even if the wind hit me the wrong way, I'm still gonna have coverage. You're not gonna see anything because that's how glueless this unit is. I will show you guys angles of it, obviously, so you guys can get the whole full look. So this unit is 18 inches long, so it stops at a pretty good length. It stops like right at my breast, the beginning of my breast area. I think that overall it's a great density. It's about 150% density, but you have to keep in mind with this type of texture, 150% density means 200. So if you like yaki hair, you like big hair, this is gonna work for you. Even as you guys can see when I straighten it out, it still has like a little bit of a kink to it. It still has its original look. It's just a little bit sleeker, but still has that kinky look to it, which is absolutely my favorite texture. I love this texture. It's more realistic, and then when you curl it and do styles with it, it just looks so nice and realistic. So this is definitely going to be a keeper for me. I absolutely love this. And as far as shedding and tangling, as far as that, I have not seen any of that. Obviously, I did cut the lace off. You know, you get like a little bit of hair coming off the front, but other than that, that was that. Now, I did go in and do an extra step, which you guys don't have to do because this does come pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck a little bit extra off the front because I wasn't doing baby hairs. I needed to move as much hair out the front, so therefore there's a good transition, so it's just not looking cray-cray, if you know what I mean. Alright, people, so that basically wraps up today's hair review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will try to leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you guys want to save some coins. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.